You need to hear this if you're a retiree. Are you oversaving for retirement? Join Money Smart Basics as we dive into this big question. Let's find out together if you can sit back and enjoy more now. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. Look in the description below for wealth-building tools and income opportunities. Hey everyone, it's Alfonso R here, and today we're diving into a topic that I think a lot of us struggle with, being too frugal. Now, I'm all about saving money and making smart financial decisions, but recently I came across an article on finance.yahoo.com that really got me thinking about the downsides of extreme frugality, especially when it comes to retirement. Because let's be real, retirement should be about enjoying the fruits of your labor, not constantly pinching pennies. So, in this video, we're going to explore 4 major signs that you might be taking frugality too far, and how it could actually be hurting your chances of a happy and fulfilling retirement. Okay, let's talk about something that should never be compromised: your health. It's one of the most valuable assets you have, and taking care of it should be a top priority. It's easy to think, oh, I'll just skip this doctor's appointment. It's probably nothing, especially when you see that copay, but what seems like a small saving now can lead to much bigger expenses later. But trust me, ignoring seemingly minor health issues can backfire big time down the road. A little discomfort today can turn into a major health crisis tomorrow if left unchecked. Think about it. A small cavity that could have been fixed with a simple filling can turn into a root canal, or even tooth extraction if left untreated. Dental health is just one example. Not only will this be way more expensive in the long run, but we're talking about potential pain and discomfort that could have been avoided. The cost of neglecting your health can be both financial and physical. And it's not just dental care. Skipping regular medical checkups can have serious consequences too. Putting off annual checkups, screenings, or ignoring persistent symptoms can lead to more serious health problems later on. Early detection is crucial for effective treatment. Remember, preventative care is key, and it's always better to catch things early on. Regular visits to your healthcare provider can help identify issues before they become severe. So, don't let frugality compromise your well-being. Investing in your health today can save you from greater expenses and suffering in the future. Your health is worth every penny. Now let's talk about your home, your castle. It's not just a place where you live, it's a sanctuary, a place where memories are made, and where you find comfort and security. It's easy to fall into the trap of putting off those little repairs, like fixing that leaky faucet or patching up that crack in the wall. These small issues might seem insignificant at first, just minor annoyances that you can live with for a while. After all, it's just a minor annoyance, right? But these small problems can be deceptive. They often hide bigger issues that can escalate if left unattended. But here's the thing, neglecting small maintenance issues can snowball into major and expensive problems down the line. What starts as a simple fix can turn into a costly repair if not addressed promptly. That leaky faucet could lead to water damage, mold, and a hefty plumbing bill. Water damage can seep into the walls and floors, causing structural damage that is far more expensive to repair. That small crack in the wall could indicate a bigger structural issue. Ignoring it could compromise the integrity of your home, leading to even more significant problems down the road. Regular home maintenance is an investment, not an expense. By taking care of these small issues as they arise, you're protecting your home and your investment in it. Think of it like this. Would you rather spend a few $100s now on a plumber, or thousands later on water damage restoration? Yeah, I thought so. It's a no-brainer when you consider the potential costs of neglect. So take care of your home, and it will take care of you and your wallet in the long run. A well-maintained home not only provides a safe and comfortable living environment, but also retains its value over time. It's a win-win situation for you and your family. Chapter 3. Don't let frugality make you a hermit. The importance of social connections. Now, this next point might seem a bit less obvious, but it's crucial for a happy retirement: social connections. It's easy to isolate yourself when you're hyper-focused on saving every penny. Skipping dinners with friends, avoiding vacations, always saying no to social gatherings. These things might save you money in the short term, but they can take a toll on your mental and emotional well-being. Humans are social creatures, and strong relationships are essential for happiness and longevity. Retirement should be a time to enjoy life, connect with loved ones, and create new memories. Don't let extreme frugality rob you of these experiences. Chapter 4. Investing in yourself is priceless. Skills, education, and personal growth. Finally, let's talk about the importance of investing in yourself. This is a journey that can lead to immense personal satisfaction and growth. This could mean taking courses to learn new skills, attending workshops, or even engaging in online learning platforms that offer a plethora of subjects. Or it could be as simple as buying books to expand your knowledge. Reading can open up new worlds and perspectives, enriching your mind and soul. Now I know what you're thinking, Graham, this sounds expensive. And yes, personal development does require some financial investment, but it's an investment in your future earning potential and overall well-being. Think of it as planting seeds for a more fruitful future. The benefits far outweigh the costs. It's an investment in your future earning potential and overall well-being. The more skills you have, the more marketable you are. Think about it. The more skills you have, the more marketable you are. This can lead to better job opportunities, promotions, and even the possibility of starting your own business. The more you learn, the more opportunities open up for you. Networking becomes easier, and you become a more attractive candidate in the job market. And let's not forget about the intangible benefits: increased confidence, a sense of accomplishment, and a greater understanding of yourself and the world around you. These things are invaluable and can enrich your life in countless ways. Personal growth is not just about professional success, it's about becoming a more fulfilled and well-rounded individual. These experiences can lead to a more enriched life, filled with joy, satisfaction, and a sense of purpose. So take that step, invest in yourself, and watch your life transform in ways you never imagined. Outrow finding the balance. Enjoy today, while saving for tomorrow. So, there you have it. 4 signs that you might be taking frugality a bit too far. Remember, saving for retirement is incredibly important, but it shouldn't come at the expense of your health, your home, your social life, or your personal growth. It's all about finding a balance. Enjoy your life today while making smart financial decisions that will secure your future. Because ultimately, retirement should be about living your best life, not just surviving on a shoestring budget. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial advice. And be sure to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. Everybody is looking for that one magic tip for retirement savings. Start by automating your savings. Set it and forget it. This way you'll consistently save without even thinking about it. Live comfortably now and prepare for a bright future. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.